I save 11 hours every week by talking instead of typing. Not with a subscription app, not with a cloud service, with 30 lines of bash that I built myself. The problem: typing is slow. Every message, every note, every prompt I type takes 3 times longer than saying it out loud. I was paying $10 a month for superwhisper to solve this. It worked fine. But it's cloud dependent, it has a usage cap, and I was paying for something I could build in an afternoon. So we built it. Push to talk. Local Whisper AI pastes directly where your cursor is. Any app, any window. Here's how it works. 3 components. 1. Sox records your microphone into a WAV file when you press your hotkey. 2. When you release the hotkey, it stops recording, resamples the audio, and runs Whisper locally on your M2 chip. Whisper Large V3 Turbo, same model OpenAI uses in their API, running completely offline. No data leaves your Mac. Ever. 3. The transcript goes straight to your clipboard and pastes wherever your cursor is. You don't touch anything. Real results. I've been using this daily for months. 11 hours saved per week on average. That's across writing, terminal commands, Claude prompts, messages, notes, anything text. Accuracy is high, not perfect. Norwegian works because we gave Whisper a language hint and a custom prompt with words it might struggle on: app names, technical terms. What doesn't work? Background noise. If the cat is loud or there's music playing, accuracy drops. You learn to pause before you speak. Verdict: 9 out of 10. This is one of the highest leverage things I've added to my workflow. Use this if you type a lot, you're on a Mac with Apple Silicon, and you don't want to pay monthly for something you can own. Skip it if you need real-time transcription while someone else is speaking, or you need speaker diarization. This is push-to-talk, not always-on listening. The script is 30 lines. The model is free. The hotkey takes 2 minutes to set up in Raycast.